Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and for today's video what I have for everyone is my fit and sound demo of the Acandya X Series truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. So in today's video we're going to do a few things. I'm going to give y'all my overall thoughts and opinions on the overall fit and our comfort level of these headphones. Then I'm going to give y'all two audio samples. The first one is going to be a leakage test, and the second one is going to be a sound sample to the best of my ability. Now, everything talked about and featured in today's video will be linked up down below in the video description. So affiliate buy links to the headphones as well as featured music from the content creator that I'm using. All the featured music, any and everything relevant to today's video will be linked up down below in the video description below. And real quickly, today's video is being recorded with a combination of devices. So the front-facing camera footage that you guys and gals are seeing is being recorded with the front-facing camera on the iPhone 15 Plus. And this is using the Blackmagic camera application. And I do have professional external audio hooked up here today. So recording all the audio for today's video, I am using my Comica Uni D microphone, but also all the screen capture B-roll, because the headphones are hooked up to my mini PC. All the screen capture B-roll is being captured on a Linux desktop. In particular, this is Zorin OS, and it's being captured with OBS Studio. Okay, and I'll have all the relevant B-roll thrown up in the video in post. So, quick housekeeping done. Now let's get into the video. So, first things first, talking about the overall fit and the overall comfort of the headphones. Now, I have these adjusted to fit my head, but this headband is fully adjustable. I like that nice snug fit. And I gotta say, in terms of comfort level, these are extremely comfortable. Okay? Especially for extended listening sessions. Now, let me give y'all a quick look. So turning to my left, giving y'all a nice shot of the right ear cup. Now the right ear cup is clean. Okay, just a little bit of company branding here. And then turning to my right and giving y'all a shot of the left ear cup. Now this is where all of the controls for the headphones are located. And I'll have some nice B-roll close-up of the headphone controls thrown up in post for you guys to check out. But the left ear cup is where all the controls are located and all of the ports are located as well. So good stuff there. And today's video is being done without ANC on because these headphones do support ANC, but I'm not using them for this video. But there you guys go, a real quick look at how they fit on my head. And in terms of the comfort, as I've said, the comfort for these headphones is really good in my overall opinion, and I have no issues wearing these for extended listening sessions. Alright, now let's get into the audio sample test, and then I'm going to give y'all my opinions, and then we're going to wrap up the video. Okay, so first we're going to talk about leakage. So for reference, I have the headphones connected up to my mini PC, and I have the volume on the headphones set to 100%, and my Comica microphone is less than a foot away from me. It's right on my desk in front of me. Y'all can't see it on the screen, but it's less than a foot away from me. So any leakage coming off of these headphones at 100% volume, the microphone should pick up. So I'm going to let this play for a little bit, and you guys and gals let me know if you hear any leakage getting picked up by the microphone in post. And then I'm going to give y'all my overall thoughts and opinions as to how I feel about the overall volume, the bass, and the overall sound quality. Okay? Alright, so let's get into it now. Let me go ahead and push play. Here we go. Okay, that's good. Let me pause it right here. All right, and let me rewind the music real quickly. And let me give y'all my overall thoughts and opinions on the overall sound quality, the volume, and the bass of the headphones before we do the next test. So, in terms of the overall sound quality, I have to say these headphones are really good. There's little to no distortion on the low or the high ends of the volume spectrum, but where these headphones fall a little short is at lower volumes that are a little bit quiet. In my experience, over the time that I've had the headphones, pretty much anything under 50% volume, these headphones are extremely quiet. So basically, they come alive at 50% volume or better. And honestly, if you really want to maximize the performance of these headphones, you really want to keep them between 50 and 75%. Okay? But because of that, I would say the overall sound quality is really good because they're very quiet at lower volumes. Okay? Now, moving on and talking about the overall volume. The volume of these headphones is actually top notch. It's very crisp and clear, especially at higher volumes. Okay? And I have no issues drowning out my surroundings and fully immersing myself in what I'm listening to or doing with the headphones. So the volume on these is top notch. Now, let's jump over to the all important bass. Now, for reference, I am not an audio professional. I am just a tech junkie and lover of all things bass. And for me, you have top notch bass if you got that gritty feel and that bass really hits. It's got a thump. And this is where I have to say the bass on these headphones is really good. Now it does thump and it hits, but it's missing that grittiness. I don't know how to explain it. I call it grittiness, okay? But because of that, I would have to say the bass on these is just overall really good. Okay, so putting it into perspective for everyone, the sound quality on these is really good. The volume on these is top notch, and the bass on these is really good. So because of the downgrades of the other two, that brings the one that was top notch down. So overall, it would be really good across the board when we talk about volume, when we talk about sound quality, and when we talk about overall bass for these headphones. All right. So that's my thoughts and opinions on that. And now let me give y'all a sound sample to the best of my ability, and then we'll go ahead and wrap the video up. So let me make sure the track is rewound. Yes, it is. And now I got my microphone right in front of me. Good, good. And let's go ahead and push play. And I'm going to hold the headphones over the microphone so y'all can get a nice, crisp sound sample. Now for all of my headphone users, please beware, the following clip will be quite loud, okay? So remember that before 9 minutes and 8 seconds, it's gonna be quite loud. So here we go. Let me go ahead and push play. Okay. And let me hold up the headphones to my mic. All right. Let me hold it over like this. And we're going to give y'all a sound sample for 20 seconds, starting now. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute. I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. Okay, let me give y'all the extra 5. Alright, that's good. Let me throw these back on. And let's pause. Alright, guys and gals, so that officially does it for the fit and sound demo of the Acandya X Series truly wireless Bluetooth headphones. And again, you guys and gals, let me know what you think of the overall video quality, the overall audio quality, the overall lighting, and how you feel the headphones performed down below in the comments. As always, all of your feedback is greatly appreciated. And now, the last piece of content we have for these headphones is the full review. Hopefully, I will have that video out soon, letting y'all know how I feel about every aspect of these headphones and if they're worth picking up. But as always, if you guys and gals enjoyed today's video and or you found it helpful, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Remember, if you want to see more content like this, also feel free to hit the subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when new videos go live on the channel. And I hope everyone is having a great day, and I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace.